Happy Pride, everyone. We have here, of course, the revelation. Mr. Gabriel 2026 Philippines candidate, Dre Ayres. Hello.
Hello po, Mr.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to be here.
I'm happy for you
Thank
now that you're out.
Thank you, Miss Ten. I have been waiting for this moment, since last year. I said if I'm gonna, do my last stint in pageantry, I think this is gonna be my ultimate to end my pageant journey.
We are talking about that you're going to join another pageant, which is Mr. World.
Yeah.
And why did you choose Mr. Gay World to be, sabi mo nga, to be your last pageant?
Okay, that's a bit of a struggle for me, kasi last year, sa industry po, I encountered a discrimination, of course, kasi dun sa, although hindi open secret kasi yung yung identity ko sa industry, hindi man ako loud about it. People know because I have been vocal sa sa mga advocacy ko. Pupunta ako sa Pride Months, sa laban ng QC, lagi ako nandyan taon-taon. So parang it's an open secret na napaka-part siya ng community. So, may naranasan ko mismo firsthand yung discrimination sa industry, and of course we will not dive deep about it kasi ayoko silang bigyan ng pansin ba, ganun po. So dahil po doon, I figured na, you know what, if I came out, if I have been so loud about my identity, feeling ko hindi na nila to magagamit laban sa akin, against me. I chose to hold my power na this year, and also at least alam na ng mga makakatrabaho ko na kung ano yung kaya kong gawin para sa kanila. And ang hirap kasi kapag alam nilang kaya mong gawin yung trabaho pero nagsa-second guess sila, nagda-doubt sila kasi nga dahil sa identity mo. At least kapag alam na nila na ganito siya pero kaya niyang gawin yung mga leading man roles, mga ganun, at least alam na nila ngayon kung ano yung pinapasok nila.
Kasi nga, you as a matinee idol, now you're coming out as a gay. Will it affect, or do you think it will still be an edge na ngayon lumabas ka publicly and telling out your gender identity?
Yes, probably it may affect my run in the industry, of course, but at least I'm happy now with how I am. I don't have to look over my shoulders every time. Sobrang happy ko lang sa mga ginagawa ko. I'm attracting projects that are for me, and yes na sa mga projects na nagre-resonate sa akin simula nung ginawa ko yung decision na yon silently. Kahit na silently, parang feeling ko nga the universe really loves decisiveness, di ba? Sabi nila.
You competed for King of the World last year, tapos
Yes.
ikaw nga ay nagpatong ng corona. Now parang it's a double pressure, isn't it, for you, that people will gonna see you parang microscopically. Everyone will be, of course, expecting for you to win the title of Mr. Gay World Philippines 2026, di ba?
Yes. The pressure is there sa lahat naman ng competition ko po, Miss Ten, di ba po? But I've come to the realization na I should take pride in it, because if I have excelled in the male-dominated pageant, I think mas celebrate yung identity ko dito kung nasan talaga ako. Mas mailalabas po natin. Yeah. Ayun po, sobrang saya ko lang talaga. And
Siyempre kasi nailabas mo na who you really are. And we're very happy for you, at lalo na because this is Pride Month and we are celebrating diba, inclusivity and diversity for each and everyone. Dre, you have a lot of followers out there. Magtataas ang kilay, may mawawala, may mag-stay. What is your message sa lahat na mag-stay for you now that you're coming out?
wow. Naniniwala ako na hindi conditional ang love. So, yung mga nakita nyo na versions ko before, ako pa din naman po yun. Identity ko lang po yung nalaman nyo, pero lahat ng pinakita ko sa inyo, totoo naman po. So, whatever happens, I'm happy. I am loved by the people around me. I am well supported by my friends, by my family. Kaya, whatever happens, I'm good. I'm really happy.
Yeah, happy Pride.
Happy
Happy
Pride!
Pride, happy Pride, Ray, and we'll be wishing you good luck to your journey here sa Mr. Gay World Philippines, and good luck to your career, and we're really happy for you now that you're coming out to be a member of the LGBT
Yes,
community.
yes.
Thank you so much.
Salamat po. Supportahan niyo ako dahil magagaling yung mga bakla. Kailangan natin ng mga
Yes.
bakla, kaya mas mahihirapan ako dito sa pageant na to.
Napakagwapo mong bakla.
Salamat po.
Okay.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much, and we'll be looking forward for you on your story. Thank you so much.